Begin. So this is the format I have already created for invoice. Here it will be the name of your company, the address or contact number, any invoice number which you have, and item code, any of the item code, which items you have existing, and items name here in this column, their price and quantity, and the total will come. Then we will learn about grand total, tax, and other things. So we'll start from beginning. We'll take another sheet. Okay, here I'm gonna be making the same format. This format is very new, this sheet has nothing. So we will take first 5 columns and we do merge. One more column we take, and there is one more, so 3 columns. Of course, you know for what. One is for the company name. Your company name will come up, then your address and contact. Then here's the invoice number comes, and in this column you're gonna be typing the item code, or simply you can write code, up to you, however you want. Then item name and the rate or price, whichever you prefer, the quantity, and that total comes off, total price or total amount. So here I'll be typing some random codes or anything. It could be 3 digit, 4 digit, doesn't matter. Okay, since 56, here you will type any item whichever you have: keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, and what else we can have: camera, mic, what else we can have, mobile, charger. So whatever you have, and to make it align, you can simply click here, and there is many other things which you're going to know in this short video. The price, you can put any random price. This is the price for keyboard. CPU price, I'll be putting some little more. Mouse could be 120, monitor could be 900, camera 5000, mic 200, mobile and charger will be 120 again. Okay, here's the quantity, how many you need: 2. Mouse, of course, you need 2. CPU you need 2. Monitor you need 2. Camera you can have 5. Mic you can have any many you want. Mobile you can have as many you want, say 6. Charger you can have 6, of course. The total, how do we take out the total here? Simply you need to multiply this number to rate it to quantity and simply drag it down. Okay, if you have more, you can add more items here down. If not, you can just select this one and merge here, merge and center again, this one more, and third one like this. So these will be your total amount, and here it will be your, you call it GST in India, or VAT or tax, whatever you call. There will be your taxes, and then the grand total. Okay, so here very simple, you can put formula. You press alt equals from your keyboard or some function you can use, enter, and here you need to take out the GST. So this into, example, if it is 15% divided by 100, if it is 5, you can put 5 instead of 15. Now here we'll be putting sum because this is a ground total, and those two numbers you need to sum, plus enter. So this will be the amount which will be paid. Now you can put some border and alignment, make thick border or all border from here. You can use this as margin center. Company code, you want to make it bold, that's up to you. You want to add thick border here as well, thick border here as well if you wish to put. This totally depend on you. If you required, this looks a little more attractive, that's it. And of course the colors, you can put fill colors like this, any color whichever is your preference, doesn't matter. Also wherever you want to adjust your code here, alignment, you can double click here, it will adjust all of them. You can also adjust in the middle. This one you can adjust in the far left. This one also you can adjust in the middle or center, whatever you call. So this is ready. You can go to view tab and remove the grid line to make it look more like an invoice. Okay, so this is your invoice ready here. You can have an option of a stamp or sign here, something like you want to type receiver's stamp, receiver signature. You can just write here receiver's signature, receiver can sign here. So this will be your invoice. Example, there are many things which you can do with this. If customer asks you discount, so you need to give them discount, you can insert a column here like this. It should be actually after the GST, so you're going to insert it here, insert column, and here you can merge those two from home tab again, merge and center. This will be your discount column. Discount you can give in percentage, discount you can give in numbers, it's up to you. Discount example, you're going to give only 500, so this number should supposed to change again, equals this amount plus this amount plus minus discount, so that will be your total payable amount. So this is it. So 500 is less from here, so this also can put like that. So this is your invoice, this is how it looks, and it's very simple way of making, but we could have done it many other ways too. And if you are going to use it over and over, you can simply copy paste and put it on another sheet. To put it on another sheet, you should right click and make sure you use the column, keep source column width like this, so it will be the same formatting, same column, everything remains same. You just have to change the item code and the item name and the price, of course, the quantity, so everything will remain the same, the formatting. That is it in this video.